Alright guys, so everything is fused up. It's about 20 minutes until midnight. We're gonna light everything off. There's Damien, there's Eddie, and there's Josh.
This is the loudest one tonight, guys. You ready?
Loudest one of the night. Okay, let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is.
You're gonna wake up the whole neighborhood.
Oh! Okay, is it sleeting?
It's raining.
Yep. It's raining. It's raining a little bit.
Mason, we should light a Mercury rocket really quick.
Want to light a Mercury rocket?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Let me chug this mic over.
Oh!
Drop that fucking weight.
Oh!
Now you gotta be careful.
This is brought to you by
The
Bud
gold.
Light.
This video is brought to you by Bud Light.
Hope's barely water rice.
This video is brought to you by Bud
I
Light.
said Hope's barely.
Cheers.
Alright, we're gonna see what happens when we light a Mercury rocket in the garage.
Alright, we're gonna go here.
No strawberry. It tasted like
She's like, Carl, get inside, you fucking drunk ass bitch.
Mercury rocket.
Yeah.
Midnight. There we go. Oh my God! Nothing.